What's up, guys? Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances. Today I'm going to go over some cookware tips for you, the best and the worst in my opinion, and for what it's worth, I cook a lot. So let's jump right into it. I have an assortment of great stuff here, all for your cooking needs. So here's what I like to say. If we're cooking on an induction top, which you're going to see here, it has to be ferromagnetic pots. So it really has to have that metal bottom. The best way is just grab a magnet. If the magnet sticks to it, means it's ferromagnetic, means it works out well. So you do, for induction, you need that bottom. See how that extra pan of metal here? That's going to say, hey, that's good. So induction always has to have ferromagnetic, so it has to be cookware like. So this cookware wouldn't fly, okay? This rates on my worst list of cookware because of the rubber handle. I mean, it can melt after time, it can slide after time, and really this isn't good if we're going to a gas cooktop either because, the gas draws a great flame. If you have a tendency to melt this. If this is rubber, or if it was plastic, this is no good in my book, okay? Even for just your general gas range or electric. I don't like to see this electric melting, the plastic, no good. You want to look at all one-piece handles like this, all metal, whether it be finished or whether it be a cast iron. This is the best cookware to have, okay? Being that everybody wants to know, will it stick, will it stick? These pans like this, with the analog coating, these are great too, but they aren't my best pans because over time the analog might chip, depending on how you wash this too, gang. See how there's a little bit of a chippage on this? Depending on how you wash this, whether you do it in a dishwasher or hand wash it, this analog coating isn't forever. When we talk about these two, these are my best, okay? A cast iron is what I swear by, a seasoned one, In the metal pans, I know you're like, hey, the metal pans, everything sticks, things like that, but they season and age after time, you know what I mean? The more you use them, the more friendly they are, the more better you are with the cookware, the more you get accustomed to how this pan works and how that pan does it. Another cooking tip is, if you buy a new set of pans, take 1 or 2 pans at a time, use them for everything, really hone in and get down to like what this pan is at a 7 or an 8, how it conducts heat and how it holds heat. But for my best list, it's going to be my best friend, okay? I own cast. I love cast because you know what? I can pan sear with them. I can finish them in the oven. I can cook with them on virtually any cooking surface. And the fact that I can finish them in the oven means I rate it the best. For fancier items, and if you have the room, the cast iron, the grill pan is your best friend too. These are great. These need seasoned as well. You can use them on induction. You can use them on the right cookware, the cooktops. I mean, you can use it on a gas or an electric. But this is a great option when you're cooking for a lot of people. Worst, great, best, okay, in chef's opinion. So, guys, like this, comment this, check this out. The cast iron will be your friend for a long time to come. Thank you so much. Boom.